Hello, today's topic?
In the hospital.
Excuse me, could you please direct me to the pediatric ward?
Sure, it's on the third floor. Follow the signs.
Thank you. My child has a fever and I'm a bit worried.
I understand. Let's get them checked by a doctor.
Do we need to register first?
Yes, you'll need to fill out some forms at the reception.
Got it. Is there a long wait to see the doctor?
It depends on how busy they are, but we'll try to expedite.
I appreciate that. I hope it's nothing serious.
Let's remain optimistic. Children's fevers can be common.
True. Do you know if there's a play area for kids here?
Yes, there's a playroom on the same floor as the pediatric ward.
That's a relief. It'll keep my child occupied.
Absolutely. In the meantime, I'll check the availability with the nurse.
Thank you. Your assistance means a lot.
No problem. We're here to help families like yours.
I'm grateful for the support. Hospitals can be overwhelming.
Indeed, but we'll do our best to make your visit as comfortable as possible.
Thank you for your kindness. We'll head to the pediatric ward now.
You're welcome. Take care, and I hope your child feels better soon.
Vocabulary.
Hospital. Pediatric. Ward. Third. Floor. Sign. Child. Fever. Worried. Doctor. Register. Form. Reception. Area. Kid. Playroom. Relief. Availability. Nurse. Assistance.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.